If you've noticed, the base model of the iPad 9, the storage has increased to 64 gigabytes. The lowest model on iPad 8 used to be 32 gigabytes. So this video is about why they possibly increased it from 32 to 64. If they could have, I believe they would have just kept it at 32 gigabytes. But me being an owner of iPads with really low, the base models of 32, even 16 gigabytes, it's come to the point where the system is just too big. And so the first thing I'd point out is operating system. It's already at 7.7 gigabytes for iOS 15.1. So if you want the latest features, you have to install iOS 15.1, and that's 7 gigabytes. And you can see over here on my iPhone SE, it's already 7.5 gigabytes. The next thing is there's this thing called system data right below it where they have logs and other things. I've noticed on average iPads run about 2 gigabytes of system data or other. On my wife's iPad, surprisingly, it's gone above 10 gigabytes. And so you can already see 10 plus 7, that's 17 gigabytes on a bad day. And the last thing is over the air online software updates for your operating system can take, sometimes it's small, just maybe 500 megabytes. But if it's a big one, like a jump from iOS 14 to 15, you're talking about 4 to 5 gigabytes of storage. And so if you add 2, 3, and 4 together, on a bad day, that's already 20 gigabytes of storage it needs to properly operate and update your system. And so I think out of necessity, when they released the iPad 9, they had to increase the base storage because of if they want to update the operating system, they have to deal with all these three things, and it's just not enough. And so it's just because of storage needs and being able to update your software. I couldn't update my wife's iPad to iOS 15 because there just wasn't enough storage, and I had to figure a way to clear out storage. And so I guess number 5 would be no, it's still number 4 to do a software update. So those are my 3 main reasons why I think iPad increased their model 9 to 64 gigabytes, just because 32 gigabytes isn't enough.